This is a digital book talk of Bud Not Buddy by Christopher Curtis. In the beginning of the story, Bud lives in an orphanage with many other children in Flint, Michigan. One day, Bud is sent to a foster home. It is not a very good situation. Another kid shoves a pencil up his nose. They end up getting in a fight. Consequently, Bud has to sleep in an old shed for the night before being sent back to the orphanage. During the night, he escapes from the shed. Trying to run away, he is desperate to find his father. Bud ends up sleeping outside of the library. He is awakened by a friend from the orphanage. These two boys set off to a small town in the woods in hopes of jumping on a train. The train arrives. Both boys jump onto the running train. However, Bud's friend was the only boy to get onto the train. Feeling sad, Bud decides to continue to search for his father. He tries to walk to Grand Rapids, but doesn't make it there. A man notices him at the side of the road. The stranger asks Bud if he needs help. Bud ends up getting into the car with the hopes of getting to Grand Rapids the next day. The stranger provides a wonderful breakfast for Bud before driving to Grand Rapids. After breakfast, the stranger and Bud drive toward Grand Rapids. Do you think Bud will finally meet his father in Grand Rapids? Read Bud Not Buddy to find out.